name's Skyler. I got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s on 2 JP 63s. Doors are running on 2 JP 23x4s. I got a 320 JSL and a stock. It's in a 6 order. And did a 62.5 in the kick.
That's probably the most impressive build that I've heard here. Really? Yeah, that's awesome, man. I didn't expect for it to be that, like, good bandwidth, like, loud, awesome, impressive.
I love them amps too. I mean, I got 20K out of them.
Out of 20K out of 2 6Ks.
Yep.
So if you're wondering if you should get down for sound amps, what do you tell them?
Yeah, I recommend them.
Awesome.
Great customer service too. Never had an issue. I put them in about 6 months ago. Going strong. I did have an issue with one. Capacitor fell off the motherboard. Got a response 1 month. Or well, actually I got it there and back in less than a month. So it got me back going and love the customer service. In the build, we got 3 Sundown STDN 18s. Your guys is down for sound, 6.5, 65 series on the door, 4 in each door. We got 6-year Hexcone series 6.5s. We got 2-year JP 83s, JP 234s, a JP 10x4. Then, as soon as this show is getting dropped off, we're doing 6-year US MTRs in each door. And then 4 more back here with 4-year D25.
What are these, 60s or 65s?
4s, 83s, 10x4s behind there.
Yeah, for them bad boys.
Yeah, absolutely.
It'll be moving. Is it playing?
Yeah.
Can I get a demo?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Live life, seize the moment. Them bad bitches on the same shit we on. Paper. Yeah, I know you're tryna fuck something likes on my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing. I just wanna slide, hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. Give it to me right now.
That bad bitch got her own cake, money in the bank, got her own safe. Set the record straight. Prepare them nunchucks. Put that ass in the cash like,
Yeah, I know you're tryna fuck something like some.
Gotta get more electrical.
That's sick, man. That thing is getting down.
Yeah, once I broke in, I'll be after it too, so I switched to it last night.
What's the frequency? Okay, what are you gonna do? 28, 90. It's better if you're looking for the like meter, but if you're more of a demo person, yeah.
On music, I did a 157, but that was with them still breaking in. I'm hoping to do a 160 today. Right now, it's tuned extremely high at 37 hertz. We gotta get tuned lower. So when we're done with this show, it's getting dropped off. It's getting 6 US MCRs in each door, 4 in the back, 4 of your guys' D25 tweeters in the back, 8 of your 1-inch tweeters in each A-pillar, on 2 more JP 234s, and then 1 of your guys' mini amps for the 1-inch tweeters.
Man, this thing's sick. Beautiful install. Sounds amazing and loud, clear. And the bass is crushing. What more could you want? What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.